and welcome back to a brand new video. So it looks like there's a car ended up on the tram lines. Look at this one, and this is just in Cleveleys, and you can see the recovery truck is now going to take this one away. But how did it end up on the tram line? So at the moment, all the trams have been suspended from Cleveleys running to the town centre. Let's have a crossover, and I don't know how the hell it's ended up on the tram line. Look at that. So you see these the police have closed the road off ahead, and yeah, I don't know how it's ended up on the tram line. So this is a very bit of a strange one. So I'd imagine it's probably somebody who's not used to Cleveleys and just ended up, like I said, on the line. So all trains have now been suspended. One was coming up, there was about 4 or 5 trams. Shall I say trams? I do apologise. Trams, all waiting. So you can see the recovery truck is slowly reversing to get this one off. So yeah, what an odd one that is. There we go. That's the it's a new one as well. It's 66 plate. And like I said, at the present, all trams are being suspended, so that's going to be a bit of a nightmare for people to in and from in. So you see the truck has put its ramps down, so it looks like they probably put like a winch on this, I'd imagine. Maybe winch it forward, or they're going to move the truck. I don't think they're going to move the truck. I don't know how the car even managed to get up there. It must have, the wheel is like on one side of the track and the other, so it's really, I don't know how they did that. So it looks like they're going to winch this one. You go see the guy with the winch, and that's some distance, to be fair. You know, it's got to be 100 metres all the way from there, all the way along the track to the car. So yeah, you see the police and attendants. Like I said, the car's there. So luckily nobody was hurt on this one. I think it's just a very big misjudgment of error going on the track. So you can see, like I said, the car must have got over all these like wooden pillars or something like that. You see, it's, you know, sort of a good sort of 5 or 6 inches off the ground. So you know, you'd have thought they realised when they got that far they've gone the wrong way. So this is the recovery truck, and like I say, you know, it's got to be a good sort of 75 metres forward, that one. And I just spoke to the police. Really nice. He said it's very sad. It's an elderly woman. She didn't realise there was tram tracks down there, and unfortunately, she's gone a little bit too far and got the car's completely stuck. So you know, I hope she's alright. I imagine she'll be in a little bit of shock, but luckily she hasn't been hurt. No one's been hurt. Just a little inconvenience for the tram service, which is always the main thing when we bring you these videos, that no one does get seriously hurt. So apologies if it's not brilliant light. So it is, what time is it? Have a quick look at the time. So it is just gone 8:10. And like I said, it's is a bit of a strange one. We've seen many cars go on the tram tracks over the years, and you know, it's just a miscalculation. It's they're always, like I say, always the main thing is no one is hurt. And you know, as we were just waiting just for the car to be moved, it's quite ironic because this road has recently been closed. It only opened today because the storm Darragh damaged the British Heart Foundation front of the building, and the road was closed for a couple of days. And you know, right outside British Heart Foundation, like I said, the car is completely wedged on the tram lines. So we'll just wait a little bit. We'll bring you a little bit, see if they can get the car moving with the winch. But at the moment, he's just taken the slack off, and it looks like they've had to use a connection. You see there, he's just connecting the winch up to the other, because it just wouldn't stretch. And he's now obviously just taken a slack off, and let's have a quick look. See if this one moves. I'd imagine he's putting like the steering lock on. I always say just keep the wheels straight, and like I said, one wheel is completely over the actual rail. So like I said, imagine he's just locking the wheels. And you see it's moving, it's making an awful screech noise. That'll be scraping along the chassis. So I'd imagine this probably will be, sadly, a write-off, or if not, a lot of damage caused. Just see how slowly it's going. It doesn't sound healthy at the bottom. So just adjusting the alignment on the wheels, and you see there's those like grooves in the track, but there it goes. So yeah, just a bit of a video. Like I said, these things sadly happen, and like I said, the lady, she wasn't actually an elderly lady. She was in her 40s, so you know, it's not that old. Like I said, just a bit of a misjudge. And like I said, when I spoke to the police, she wasn't around from this area apparently. So I guess these things sadly do happen. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, a bit of a different one. Certainly a bit of a different one. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, any comments. If I do know the answers on this one, I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. So yeah, just a bit of an update from Cleveleys on the car on the tram line.